Today, I'll show you how to make free PayPal money. If you want to get paid with no skills or previous experience, keep watching this video because I have 4 different websites to show you. Each one of them is available worldwide and no money is required to get started. So don't skip ahead so you do not miss a single one of them. But before we start, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and share it with others. Now, let's start the video. Before I go ahead and show you these websites, I need to remind you that these won't make you rich in any way, shape, or form. Instead, it's a fantastic way to earn some money quickly without too much effort. But for those of you who want videos on more long-term strategies, stay tuned. As soon enough, I'll be uploading videos with the techniques that will provide you with income for a much longer period. Now, the first website is called Treasuretrooper.com. It's one of the oldest, most enduring, and arguably one of the best make-money online websites out there. This website looks old-fashioned because it has been around since 2005, and because of that fact, it's a legit website. Otherwise, it would have disappeared a long time earlier. To the left, you can see that members of this website have earned nearly $8 million. You can check out the payment proof if you want by clicking below. This website is available in a lot of countries around the world. It has a wide variety of options, and you can divide them into 3 categories: offers, surveys, and games. Offers consist of filling out forms, sample products, making money, performing searches, and completing tasks. So you can select from a few of these, see which ones you would certainly like the most. If you don't like them, this site does pay quite a bit for completing them. Take 8 daily cash surveys available every day worth up to $1 each. Visit our unique survey panel for dozens of extra paid survey chances. So you get paid $1 per survey, which isn't a huge amount of cash, but it's way more than other websites, which is the most crucial bit for us. The games are a great option as they can be fun. If you don't have a great deal of time, you can refer some people right here to get paid in passive income. But overall, I would certainly recommend other sites as make-money online websites will not pay you that much, and I don't find them worth the trouble. To get started, you have to create an account, and you can do that here. I'll not go over it because I'm sure you might manage that by yourself. Now, the second website is called Surveyia.com. This will pay you by completing various surveys. That's what it says on their homepage. It shows us that it's available all around the globe. And also, this is once more very crucial to us. More details are available down below, which I'll get to it in a minute. Down here, you can see that we send paid surveys in euros that can be converted into PayPal or Amazon vouchers. We care about your opinion and you're paid for expressing it. You can see that apart from the surveys you can complete to get paid to the right of that. They have some exciting features as well. Find out how to make money on the internet or how to save time while maintaining the same lifestyle. A lot of other curious news, intelligent solutions, and funny videos await you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this video. Now, let's get back to the video. So, they have some info on how you can make money online, and other amazing stuff. So, it's not a paid site in itself. But here, you can see how you can get paid in PayPal, as is usually the case for this website, with other options if you aren't a huge fan of PayPal. If you want to see all the various methods you can get paid, click to discover the awards below. First of all, this website is available in 123 countries around the world. So, as I promised you, we are talking about a nearby available website that works no matter where you're coming from. You can sign up from 5 continents. This website is in 4 languages. The user profile and surveys are in the language of the country you live in. See the list here now if that wasn't good enough. This site will show you surveys in the language of the country where you're from. So if you're not from the US and English is not your native language, or you do not know it that well, it does not matter. A very great addition is that I do not think many sites available have. There are 2 million registered users. So this is quite popular to the right. We can see that over 1 million euros have been redeemed thus far, paid out via the likes of PayPal, Amazon, Zalando, Decathlon, Skrill, and Paisa. So this site is not only available worldwide, but also it has a range of different payment options for you to choose from. So to get started with making money here, return up and click sign up for the survey, enter your details, and you're good to go. The third website is called Treasuretrooper.com. You can sign up in 10 seconds. You can start making money online now by completing various surveys. You can make money in cash or gift cards through PayPal, Amazon Visa, Steam, and eBay. Below, they offer hundreds of brand name gift cards, direct bank payments, PayPal, and Visa gift cards. It's awesome as they will give you a choice. So if you want to get paid in cash, that's entirely fine. But you can select a gift card instead if you prefer it with Google Play, Amazon, and Roblox gift cards. Being the most popular choice, more info on how this works is found just below. They're trying to find people who want to complete surveys, such as giving their opinions and earning points that they exchange for cash. Now, this website's unique and amazing feature is that some people got wonderful things for totally free. You aren't going to get these easily, yet there is a slight chance, and that's a good addition to this site, in my opinion. The last thing that we see on their homepage is that they are featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, Website Jabber, and Insider All. It's an excellent website and is available worldwide. To get started, enter your details here and click on Start Making Money, or you can sign up with one click via Facebook if you want to. I'll leave that up to you. The last site on my list is called surveytime.io. This is another great website to get paid by completing surveys. And as you'll see over on Trustpilot, it has some of the best reviews out there. I would recommend combining this site with the other three to maximize your earnings because I've already covered this website. I will not go too in-depth with it, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.